Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce mushroom pasta. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. Next, cook your favorite pasta until it's perfectly al dente. Then, you'll sauté the mushrooms until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, we'll prepare a rich, creamy white sauce to bring everything together for a truly delicious meal. Let's start by getting everything ready. You'll need about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, like fettuccine or penne. Slice 10 ounces of fresh mushrooms, such as cremini or button mushrooms. Mince 2 cloves of garlic for a burst of flavor. Also, measure out 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which will be essential for our sauce and sautéing. Now, let's get cooking. Boil your pasta in salted water following the package directions until it's al dente. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your sliced mushrooms and minced garlic to the pan. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender and have released their moisture. To make the creamy sauce, whisk 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the pan with the mushrooms, cooking for 1 minute. Gradually pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to stir until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, add the cooked pasta and mushrooms to the sauce, tossing gently to combine everything. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.